Hello and welcome to my channel, The Craft Show. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful tie back drape tassel using yarn and embroidered thread. But before that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notified every time I post a new video. We'll cover everything from braiding the yarn to making the embroidered thread tassel and tying it all together to create a functional and stylish accessory for your curtains or drapes. First of all, we'll braid the yarn. For that, you'll need 3 strands of yarn that are 40 to 50 inches in length. Start by tying the 3 threads together in a knot and one at one end, and put a weight to hold on to the yarn. And now we start braiding the yarn using the over and under technique, making sure to keep the tension even and hold the knot with one hand and separate the strands so that you have one on the left, one in the middle and one on the right. Now take the strand on the left and cross it over to the middle strand so that it becomes the new middle strand. Then take the right strand and cross it over the new middle strand so that it becomes the new middle strand now. This way, keep repeating till it reaches the end of the yarn. Tie a knot at the end of the braid to secure it. Next, we'll move on to making the tassel from the embroidered thread. Now I have chosen the embroidered thread for the tassel because embroidered thread is typically made of fine fibers than wool. When making a tassel using embroidered thread allows you to create a more fine and finished look to the tassels, which is not possible for the thicker fibers of wool. Moreover, embroidered thread is also less likely to shed or fuzz compared to wool. So this means that the tassel will last longer and maintain its appearance even after frequent use or exposure to sun and humidity. To make the tassel, cut the length of the thread and tie it tightly around the middle of a piece of cardboard. As you can see, I have used a shade card for it. Then cut the end of the thread and remove it from the cardboard. Now the length of the cardboard will determine the height of the tassel, and the number of times you go around the cardboard will determine how thick the tassel would be. So the more you wrap around, the more thicker it will be. Give the tassel a nice trim from below so that all the threads are of equal length. Finally, tie all the separate length of thread tightly around the top of the tassel to create the head of the tassel. Now that we have covered the braiding and making the embroidered thread tassel, let's tie it all together and create the tie back drape tassel. First, with the help of a needle, I will thread the braided yarn into the wooden bead . Then tie a knot outside so that the wooden bead doesn't come out. Now again, with the help of the needle, I will thread the tassel into the wooden bead from below. Now I pull the braided yarn so that the knot goes inside the bead and it is not visible from outside. And then tie the embroidered thread around the braided yarn very tightly so that the tassel too doesn't come out from the yarn. Then cut the extra yarn and thread from outside to give it a more finished look. And I comb the tassel a little to detangle the yarns. And then in the same way I attach another tassel to the other end of the braided yarn. And there you have it. With just a few materials and some basic crafting techniques, you can create a beautiful and functional tie-back drape tassel for your home. Finally, tie the tassel and braided yarn around your drapes or curtains to create a tie-back drape tassel. Not only does it add a decorative touch, but it also helps hold your curtains or drapes in place. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to create your own tassels using different colors and textures of yarn and embroidered thread. Thank you for watching and happy crafting. Bye bye.